My name is Yanni, and this story is about my journey with my dad on the train. Train station day. A bustling train station with people hurrying in all directions. Among the crowd stands James, a warm hearted father in his mid 40s, waiting anxiously for his daughter, Yanni, an energetic and curious 8-year-old. Yanni steps out of the school gate, a big smile on her face. She spots James and runs into his arms. Daddy, I had the best day at school today.
Ha ha ha! That's wonderful, Yanni. I missed you so much. Are you ready for a little adventure?
Yes, Daddy, what are we going to do? James and Yanni walk into the platform. A train approaches, screeching to a halt. James and Yanni find a seat by the window. The train begins to face lights up in some excitement.
Now, Yanni, when we're on a train, we need to be mindful of a few things. These are called train etiquette.
What's that, Daddy?
Well, it's about being considerate to others and making the train ride pleasant for everyone. For example, we should always give up our seats to elderly or pregnant people. And when we are talking, we should keep our voices at a reasonable level so that we don't disturb others.
The train approaches the station and the doors open.
Look, Yanni, there's Mommy.
Oh, I miss you both so much. Mommy, we're learning train etiquette. Is that so? Well, I'm glad to see you're in good hands with Daddy.
Created using Powtoon.